have it, my people. Grace Food Festival. No, me call it royalty.
Not no rubber quality.
Me call it royalty because I'm making a sign about all of the money. You know? So this side of the jerk side. I saw them do it.
What will not prize? You have to work for it, wait there.
Hi guys, I'm Kiri from Dancing Dance Troupe. Remember to follow us on Instagram and YouTube. One dancing, never vlog.
Which other product is the most selling product?
This choppy logo.
This one here? Wow. So how much is cost one of these?
$1,000.
Okay, wow. Yeah man, planting, festival, roasted fruit. I love salad. Treasure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. Chef, you're not getting none.
I am a local passionate creative. I don't just make casual candles. I build candles from scratch. I make the container and everything. It's safe for consumers to burn.
Who just here? I know. Pick up your Instagram, please.
My Instagram is team_official 26.
Just like that.
Just like
You
that.
come out today.
Correct.
Yeah, she said right there. So. Traveling family, welcome to another video. Today we are at Oak Gardens. And today, my beautiful people, it is the Grace Festival. And we're gonna be on the inside and we're gonna check out everything what them have to offer. So stay tuned. Make we go see another cultural event. We're outside like always. So can I tell you how the sun is burning? Naomi J.
The sun killing
Introduce yourself to.
Hi, Naomi Sexy Sturdiest hair. Well, just say Naomi Sturdiest because that's what I changed it to now. So please go over to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, comment, you know, tell a friend to tell a friend. Pick up Emma Bless Travels all the time because he's always bigging me up, trust me.
Yes.
Respect.
We're outside like always.
Yeah.
We are at the Grace Festival.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Food festival.
Yeah.
In Oak Garden.
Oh, you mean?
You see?
Are you there for chop line?
You see? And have a nice time.
Yes.
See so?
Oh, you mean?
That is so.
Outside like always.
Sharp.
Yeah, so be happy. People are gonna ask of you to remember Captain. Remember to subscribe to his page. Because we are outside like always. Same?
Yeah.
Same. So there you have it, my people. Grace Food Festival. We're going on the inside. Yeah. No, me call it royalty.
Not no rubber quality.
Me call it royalty because I'm making a sign about all of the money. You know,
So that is good.
that is good for you to, for me to recognize that when you reach out the road, you're not broke. Can't find no money, no money lost.
Thank you when you're good first, you're good because
All right.
somebody drop them first.
All right.
I need to take it to one, give it to
All right.
and this is something now.
Emma Bless Channel.
All right.
Just save the day.
Yeah.
All right. Just like that, my people. Just save the lady with some money. We're going to take it up and go buy chicken. You see, I'm so. I could have taken to go buy chicken, but I choose not to. Fear is the gear.
I remember when you asked me.
Yeah, when me couldn't digest it.
Try.
Yeah. Wow. No, man. How many months to song for today? Between I disappoint us too. Hi. What you doing today? What you do at the food festival here? What you do?
No.
Go with that bands? Pick up your bands now. Yeah, give me some. Right. Hey. 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 And you're walking up. Outside. So this side of the jerk side. I saw them do this.
Yeah.
Them separate them out.
Jamming flavor. You ever try the jerk side?
We're trying everything. Why you guys giving away today?
We're giving away yesterday.
Yeah?
We hope with
I'm a content creator, I go by the name of the channel. Alright.
So this is the Anchor full cream.
Yes.
Right, so you can find every supermarket island-wide.
Yeah.
Right, so you're industry.
Yeah.
Right, so it's the Anchor full cream.
Okay.
Right?
Are you with the service today? Take up the service is mine.
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
Let's go. Look on what.
So what is my regret if I buy any one of these?
No regret.
No regret?
No regret.
Sure?
100%.
Alright.
100%.
I'll give you a card. And then remember what it's on here. It's a powder stuff.
Powder.
Okay, it's like a milk powder. So how do I mix these?
So I do this on water.
What water? Cold water?
Warm water, whatever way you want.
Okay.
Leave them mix.
Alright, I just going on the backpack. So we prepare this on the first food. Yes, I'm doing of them. Ever best shop is my we're outside. Alright. Captain, the first one. Lion. Me hustle the first one. Yes. What me on the backpack?
With your things, come in the bag and pan over here, so right here. Who else did a shopping? Me watch you. All those who shop and nobody can follow you. Because the bag them a come.
Jamaica Festival Song winner this year, 2025. And my song is titled Sweet J.A. So those who don't know it, the chorus easy to catch. Those who know it, sing along. Run it!
What do not prize? You have to work for it. Wait there. Wait there a minute. The first person who gets a prize is who can hula hoop. Who from Spanish Town can hula hoop? Come, yes. First 4 people, 6 people, come, run, come. And then we're going to play a game right down there. So don't move right through here. I'm going to play a game. And we're giving away some, oh my God, look how digital nice. $200 credit. Whoever wins out of the come on, let's say $1,000 we're giving, yeah? 1,000, come, you can hula hoop. Bring it, come, auntie. Who else can hula hoop? Yeah, man, let them come, baby. Right here, yes, so we have to hula hoop. All who can hula hoop, fast. 5 more. 5 more, and don't bother tell me say go try. We're not doing a try business. You have to can hula hoop. If you can't hula hoop, don't come. And we're giving away prizes. What, Auntie, that's if you don't, so though, that's the order for when we go down there. So this is just for them to just hoop. So give each person a hoop, Auntie. Yes? Ready now? Who else can hula hoop? We're waiting on 4 more. Lots of prizes. You can get basket. Ready, Uncle Colin, come now, balance it. And I see we have Wallapa Vienna, sausage, and we have Grace Chicken Vienna. Come over here, get a hoop and come, fast. Get them a hoop and come, let's go. Grab a hoop. Colin, play the music. Run back down.
Hi guys, I'm Kiri from Dancing Dance Troupe. Remember to follow us on Instagram and YouTube. One dancing, never flop.
You're outside.
Go to the next one.
Some people
Next
please
one.
check out the
Hurry
channel.
up. Move it out.
Your dancing
Next
group.
one.
Oh, no, give one.
Take it out. Run,
Hey,
touch the
hey.
person. Next person. Next one. Let's go. Put it back in the hoop. Hurry up.
Who else?
Next one.
Where?
You're supposed to touch. You want to go behind the line. There's a great confusion. You're not supposed to use your hand. You're out. You're not supposed to. Keep going. Next one. Where's the third person?
I was asking what you're promoting today.
Oh, it's our smoothies.
Okay.
Smoothies.
I'm a content creator on YouTube. I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
Right.
And we're located in Brooklyn Supermarket, Clock Tower.
Yes.
This is our second time.
Yeah.
Great second time, and this is our second
So
time.
name me some of the things that you have for the
So we
public.
have a Tropic Loco, which is mango, star fruit, watermelon,
Yeah.
all seasonal fruit. Then we have a mango mania
Yeah.
quencher. We have a strawberry lime quencher. We have a pina colada quencher.
Yeah.
You can get coconut rum or white rum if you want.
Wow.
We are the official sponsor for the Great Mighty Punch.
Mighty Punch?
The Mighty Punch. So we've been asked, Great asked us to create a drink on their behalf. So
Okay.
we created a drink called
Wow.
Great Mighty Punch.
Yeah.
They're
So
great.
which of the product is the most selling product?
This Tropic Loco.
This one here?
Proud user.
Wow. So how much is cost one of these?
$1,000.
Okay, wow. Nice. I want to see a happy customer today.
Okay. Maybe Jessica can show you a happy customer. Let's see. They should be over there with our girl.
Okay. Today we are with?
Alright, so today you're with Chicken and Things, the ultimate one.
Yes.
And you can find us at 4 different locations. You can find us at Crossroads, Halfway Tree, the Haney Park, and of course Shortwood Road.
Wow. Shortwood.
Yes,
All right.
18 Shortwood Road or otherwise Grand Spain.
All right. So if we do shop, come to your place, any one of these stores, what can we find there?
Alright, so the good thing is that you can get anything that you want at all locations. So if you want fried chicken, barbecue fries, sweet and sour chicken steak, any of the locations offer this. But the Haney Park, however, offers specials on Fridays where you can get shrimp pasta or any Chinese dish that you wish to, that you desire.
You're outside. Thank you so much for your information today. Repeat that again? How much you say you know?
1 chicken and steak.
I'm Mr. Me outside. Yeah, and inside mouth. All right, so we're moving on.
So what's the name of the place?
High five. Who else? First 6. Take off your shoes, dear son, before you come. Set them off right this one. Can you eat this son? Who food will be now work? Hi. You got the dimples. I like the dimples. First 6, I only have 5. I only have 4. 1, 2. Yes. Big people. The bigger ones. The children wait till the side. I need 2 more. 5. First 6. 2 more. Look at that.
So here we are today. We are at the Grace Food Festival, and we are at Friendies. The people look on the purpose smile here. She has Friendies. You feel like at the Friendies thing, she have been making yours. You did already come out. Cute.
Yes, my friend is Twitch.
My friend is Twitch. Alright. How many people? Who know the popular lady here? Anyone who don't know the lady here, don't take out there. You feel the way say buying from back home. The real anyway. She knows the fry fish festival, she knows fry fish. It's not company that. And today we are with them again. So you have to say today. How are you feeling today? How is the food festival? Great food. Very good.
Most of all, I like family get together and that's all that I'm happy there.
Yes, great. Alright. So did you take out a video?
Yeah.
You need to see how popular you are. So we going. How about you, Mama? I'm gonna go to the back. I take a look again and see how the fried festival. We going around back. See here right out there. They're frying the chicken here. Hi. Hi. Hi, Miss Prentice. I want to fry the chicken around here. The fish around here. And no festival already? Wow, my people look on fish, my people. Look at that. I want to fry plantain too. I want to do a free today. Wow. So come on, I represent for Grace, right? So today you are? You are? Are you specialize in frying fish? Our festival. Okay, I did chef that. And you? What you specialize in?
Whichever. Steamed fish, roast fish, whichever.
Alright. So if I employ you to cook, are you not cooking for Prentice? You cook as nice as you cook for Prentice?
Yeah, man, of course. Yes, man.
Yeah, that one. She said she cook nice, same way. That means around the boat she can cook. Yeah, man. So Mama, you can so tell us where we can find you now. You are at we're sure you're not paying a potency because we see one around there.
Right.
And be sure you're that health shop.
Right.
Where else can we find you?
So in total right now we have 3 locations. As you mentioned, Helsha Beach, Port Henderson Road, that's 2 to 3 Port Henderson Road beside Jules.
Yeah.
And we're also at Portland Corporate Center where the Portland Auditorium is. There's a Friendies on the ground floor. If you're in Kingston, you don't have to come all the way to Portmore. And you can also order your fish to get to that location. That location usually does Jamaican breakfast and lunch.
I have a confession.
What is that?
The Friendies at Portmore, Port Henderson Road, big. And how the man is making so big?
Well,
Jesus.
Better, right?
Yeah.
And we don't only cook food there as a regular restaurant, we also host events there.
Oh!
That's why.
That is it.
That's the secret.
So tell some people they can find your home.
Well, just if you come in on the back road, if you're coming from the toll road, it would be on your left side before you get to Drew's, right?
Yes.
There's a big parking lot.
Yes, man.
There's a big sign that says
Yes, man. Big.
Don't be fooled by the parking lot though. You need to go into the parking lot and go down to the seaside.
Yes.
That's where the gate is. That's where you enter.
Yes.
If you're coming from Fomor, it would be on your right, right after you pass through.
And if anyone else want to know exactly what we're talking about, check the video where say buying from back road and we see how the place big.
Right.
And you just walk right to it. Say something, man. For you're big and broad and nice.
Hi.
Ever good travel. And your friend Bammy. How you steam?
Steam.
Oh. Let me see the one, man. Let me see this one, the princess. Steam what in there? What else in there?
Steam snapper. Vegetable.
I tell you. I want to name Prentice.
Prentice on the beach.
Why you not name Prentice? How you get the name Prentice?
Well, Miss Daniel Prendergast is the owner.
Yeah.
So basically Prentice is derived from Prendergast. So it's as simple as that.
Yes.
But it's one of the most unique names at Helja Beach.
Yes.
One of the most unique names overall in seafood and seafood restaurants.
I make everybody know say I don't know permanent kitchen this. One of us attend the Grace Food Festival.
Right. This is a Grace Food Festival and from time to time we do festivals like this. We're at Port Royal sometime. We're all over the place.
Yes.
Right? So and we also do catering.
Yes.
So if you want for us to cater for your events, you can give us a call. Not only on location, we come to you also.
Cha-cha, that's how it is. The people see one nice plate there. Somebody will get the plate and will smile. Yeah, true. How you mean? You actually mind them say you get it, you know. And you get it? So this is Bammy. And the chef them come out today. Yeah. I want them to sure know to them hot.
202-3872. Who get that? If I get it, just show me you get it, you're gonna get a prize. You get $200 more. $400 credit. Every time you get the 2 plus, you get another one. Say the number again. Say it one more time. 50-11-202-3872. Correct? Who it is? One credit for you. Who gets it? If they get it wrong, you get $200 more. If they get it wrong, $200 more. Raise the who get that? Go to the next one out here. Next one. Go to the next one. You want to number again? 5, 4. Going again. From the top. 6-0. 5-4-1-1-2-0-2-3-8-7. My bad, the first one I see. They was scratch out. As you get it, I just saw that you didn't get a prize. $200 more. Wait for the next one. Wait for the next one. Scratch the next one. Scratch the next one. I'm going again. You can get $200 more, but it's actually total $400. Let's go. Going again. Next number. 5-6.
Great Food Festival. Festive. No joke.
5-6-6-4-0-2-28-509.
Plural seafood.
Going again.
Active.
5-6. 5-6-6-4-0-2-2-8-6-09.
Everyone is capturing on the food. Yeah. Food festival and stuff. Fully active.
One more.
YouTuber, you want to showcase, or you have to showcase today?
35.
You want to be a part of my vlog?
13.
You want to be a part of my vlog?
8247. Who get that?
Nothing.
Who get that?
I do what I do for fun.
Don't she be like what would you want just to show you?
I'm showcasing your place. What do you tell me? Yeah? Yeah. You have festival, you have chicken, you have fish, you have bami, you have where's your report there? Oh, your report the over saw. Oh, I smell it, you know. So yeah, go over to the place of a man. So we can visit the kitchen. Where the kitchen? Alright, let me see because for yourself what me have to go there. That's all? Wait, that's all? Alright. Can you go show me your pool? Can you go show me your pool? Where there? Oh, I don't know old fashioned people them. We're roasting the pork them and we put them on wood. What kind of wood them, G? A chicken this?
Yeah man, chicken.
Cha-cha. Organ, your original style.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican style. I'm not copying that from nobody. Alright. So why they call you burn up another bag?
It's a pilot.
I pilot that. Free pork.
Yeah man, for the pork and the chicken.
You know the pilot a people who fly plane. Careful on us saying. Whoa.
This is a cola run out now.
Yeah.
You just take back some friends to put on that.
How way you say? So what them would the name?
Yeah, I have like sweet food and dumpling and them. You know?
Okay, me think. Give the flavor.
Spice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why the place smells so. So what your name? A fried chicken, a fry, Missy
Well,
man.
the scotch is in it. Scotch is fry.
Okay, so what scotch is there?
Right here.
A fry, Missy man. Is it?
Alright, so now go back around there.
Yes.
See that thing there?
Yeah.
Just take a video.
Yeah man, I do that. So me like the original, the way I want to deal with the thing there. Yeah. Everybody else have a pan where you open up. You know it's different.
Yeah.
So what the difference in the taste of it? What the difference in the taste? You say your fried chicken have a taste where you can't.
Jerk chicken and the fried chicken have a taste where you're not regret.
Oh, I saw you go. Alright.
You just want to come back more and more.
I saw you go. Oh, fry, what you saying name?
Scotch is fry.
Scotch is fry. Alright, I'll go up on the front and I'll go watch somebody when them buy and see how they more have to see look on somebody's face. Alright, we're going back on the side.
They are colorful.
Yeah man, planting, festival, roast beetroot. I love that. Jaja. Yo, she opened the pan with style.
Yeah.
She come out today.
Colorful, you know?
Yeah. One present on the beach. Oh? Yes, man. So, Captain, we're outside and we are enjoying ourselves.
True, of course.
Yes, sir.
Enjoying myself also.
All right. And the customer them. When you see people are buy food and stand up in the sun, them kind of way, you know, something entice them. Them can't move, them have to take a sunburn and collect them food. Yeah. My friend, you walk up and I'm vlogging, big up your socials. No bother with that, man. Big up your socials, man. You don't have Instagram and all them things. Did you get up now? Big up your Instagram, what your social, whatever. Everybody start with me.
Oh, big up buy and sell with D.
Buy and sell?
Buy and sell with D.
Yeah? So when you look at it?
Yeah.
When you look at it?
When it's remote.
Okay. So,
Yeah,
so you want to give a number so how somebody can reach you?
Yeah, man. Reach me at 809-4305.
No joke. Oh, see
My
there.
name is Captain Aragona.
Hey, Captain.
Hi, my dear. How are you?
I'm good. I can't wait to try this. Honestly, I bought it because our competitor was a little bit more expensive. So let me go over here and try. So, the surprise to find out a freebie. I'll tell you in a minute about the taste, alright?
I'm with you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you see it. She festive, man. She really nice, huh?
Favorite character.
So where's about the lady then, no?
They're lovely in Jamaica here.
Yeah.
Lovely. And they love Soko Loco.
There you go.
Crazy good.
Okay. Oh, I future them already. I should like walk past. So just water you have there? What, just water you have in there?
No, water and juices.
What kind of juice?
When I say action.
What the price of the juice? Huh? What the price of the juice?
800.
Oh, what you say make them? Oh, I think
lemongrass, man.
Oh, I think I featured you.
Yeah, man, the same thing.
Yeah, the same thing.
Why you do that, man? Why you do that? When I want to give you information. Why you do that? Why you do that?
Some of people today at the Grace Food Festival. Festive. No joke. Have no regret being here. Persons are just walking around enjoying themselves, enjoying. Yeah, they might enjoy themselves. And him say, ladies.
Ladies. Ladies.
He say, ladies.
I'm 100% man.
You know something else? I never notice.
Yeah, man. Yesterday, I went to the store.
Yes.
And I asked the lady, I want a brother.
Yeah.
And so she tell me this hat. I tell her, there's a woman hat.
Yeah.
She said, listen to me. Nothing more than a signal woman. Where you at?
I saw you that you come out.
So one of the man them know.
And the color blue. Right. Represent boys.
So let me tell you something. 100%.
Yeah, she want to be a part of the flag. Come now,
100% man.
Come in, man. Come give your expression. Tell what you feel about the Grace Food thing, man. How you feel about it? Man, I don't hear you.
Working at the event.
So you still can tell her about it. Tell her about your experience. What you see in food here in the kiddies.
I'm seeing some delicious food.
Yes.
And people enjoying themselves by looking beautiful.
Yes.
It's a nice family affair.
Yes. And you want to pick up your socials. You can pick up your socials.
My socials?
Yes.
The right shirt.
Say the name again.
THE underscore right.
Okay.
WRGHT.
We follow you.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Sure. Guess what?
The place festive, my people. Nice. But one thing for sure, it's so hot. And that's not a joke. So I want to shade your hide while everybody walk around and have fun. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the king, it's so hot at Kingston. Wow. Yeah, she come on. Yeah, she come on. Yeah, we're outside like always. And I know me that. We're outside like always. You see it, you see it. You still have one up?
Man!
Yeah. I have to keep hiding. This son of Kingston is with a difference. I have to use umbrella. Yeah, I have no regret as to where I live.
No, I wouldn't either. I don't have any either. Because why?
Yeah.
It's a different feeling from here.
Yeah.
It's like the sun literally has triple skin.
Yeah, true. If they never have them fun thing there, people are Indian Grace was
Salute. Yeah, man, Grace One Black people, please check out my channel. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Pick up Ever Blessed Countryside.
We're father and son there.
Father and son should be here.
We're Maki Lifestyle.
Maki Lifestyle.
Sure.
Oh no hide, don't tell us I will not be here and no hide.
This is how you see what the job of now the colors, you know.
Yeah.
Salute, we love that.
Them paint on them we out of the food festival.
God. Stop in here. But one good work.
Yes, see it, we're outside like always.
Like always, it's hot.
Yes.
Hot.
Yeah, man.
Hot.
Yeah.
We're trying to keep
This
cool
is
though.
nice.
Yes.
We're trying to keep cool.
Yeah.
Trying our best to keep cool.
Somebody tired.
Man, you know see I'm in use. I'm in tired as well.
Sweet girl, come sweet girl, make me hold your hand, make me wheel and turn sweet girl, make me hold your hand, make me wheel and turn sweet girl, make me hold your hand. Make me
that song there? You knew that song?
Of course.
You knew that song?
Yes.
Shit, you know that song there?
I know it.
America, you come from? Talk truth. No, man. Don't fix me head tie. Little girl. Is foreign you come from? Foreign and overseas? And you don't know that song? Who sing that song? Who? Well, Lord, thank you. The school system is officially saying. Yes. What's your favorite reggae song? One Love? Wow! And that's like everybody. Who sing One Love? You sure? Okay, hold on. Alright, me here, Bob Marley. You know what his correct name is, his government name? Okay, I hear Robert Nesta Marley. Alright. How many children does Mr. Marley have?
Want to look and see.
9, 6, 9, 13, 21, 23. Yeah. Well, of course, you know that Mr. Marley has made a huge impact on the world. We could not come up.
It's not the best thing to do. Mommy, you know Jamaica what, man? Tell me something about Jamaica what, man? Tell me something about Jamaica what, man? A YouTuber, Jamaica what, man? I want young man buy things for you all the time. You remember it? It's a YouTuber. They don't know it. That's not true. I've seen you on this channel already. Never enjoy festival no more? First time festival for more?
Yeah, last year's one year and
okay. I should be the one to put up and you come back now.
So I did buy it last year. I mean, I'm glad I saw her this year.
Okay. Alright, I'll put it on myself.
Thank you.
Some people, everyone is having fun. Yeah. Nice event. And one thing I regret at the sun. Now YouTuber man, I see you now look. It's a YouTuber. You want to say hi to my vlog? Eh? Okay. Check out Friendies. Check out Friendies Seafood.
national, everything alright. Okay. So thank you for participating. Collect your prizes to the left over there. So everyone is now in today. Not 2 more ladies.
No, it's just them.
I believe the lady, the orange was with for a while.
Yeah, them.
The lady, the orange.
Orange and blue. Crystal. Hello, come now.
So anyone brave enough can come up and tell me which company distributes the cheese. Wrong bag. Something now. Grace Kennedy, right? That is correct. So Tasty Cheese is distributed by Grace Kennedy. Tasty Cheese is distributed by Grace Kennedy and Company. Oh yes. Congratulations. Yes, both of them answer. They are the bright sparks in the classroom. Next question. Which company manufactures Tasty Cheese? Run, go! Alright, so I'm in right now. In right now. This is your question. Run. I told him I come heavy. I told him run. What? Which company manufactures Tasty Cheese? Oh, wow. You win something already? You win something yet? No, you know nothing yet. Alright, what's the answer? Dairy industry. Alright. Yes. So we have to power. Who is the brightest? These are the students that's
You want the pancakes? I only have this and
all their numbers there.
The answer is dairy industry.
So you want to get a big number?
You can send the phone. 5 o'clock,
Name the sizes of the newly launched Tasty Cheese. Boy, I want this one like one mathematics question. Stop it.
You have to buy a phone card.
Somebody have a phone card and then you?
Yeah, buy a digital card.
Okay. So what this game is called?
Just dance.
Okay.
You get to win a prize.
Okay.
so what is this?
Oh, you're supposed to buy a phone card and you can play and win a prize. You don't have to play and win a You know how to play? Yeah.
So he's gonna train it hard. Power it is.
Okay, go now.
And the people back at the class telling him. Alright, give it to him. Give it to him.
Good job.
You have to throw it hard. See what we're gonna do.
What's the name of the Tasty Summer Cheese? No, Joan, no. Alright, that's what we're doing. Beat. Hello? Come jump the fence.
Oh, no clothes are pretty.
Oh, don't jump the fence. Don't jump it because the name event says don't jump the fence.
Victoria rice?
Victoria basmati rice.
Okay, basmati, okay.
Yes. And oh, and we have the parsley. So this is the berries.
Yeah.
This is for $750.
Yeah.
You buy 3 and you get a folding chair with one of our Victoria rice.
Really?
Yes. We have wonderful samples around here. We have our jablon coffee, our parsley root mix. This is it. And we have Italian sampling as well. So we're doing a lot of things at CDL too.
Where you company name?
CDL, Consumer Brands Limited.
Nice. And your smile is pretty.
Thank you.
Right. So for the sake of me tasting something and to get rid of the crowd, could you get me one of those samples to get some of those samples?
I would want to, but would you want me to go and catch these ladies that I just have them purchase this first?
Yes.
All right, no problem.
And there you go.
Oh, thank you.
All right, good. Place nice and peaceful, place nice. So today we are with? Yeah, you come out today. So how is the festival so far? It's good. What you taste so far? What you taste?
I tasted bread pudding.
Bread pudding.
From Mighty Mall.
Yeah.
I tasted chocolate.
You do a lot of tasting, man. Yeah, you really come out today. But you know what I'm sure they come out at the sun heat. Jeez, I'm Kingston hot.
And the dirt.
No, we not worry about the dirt. Me see her show me say you put them dirty, but the people know what at the place. I know she come out like that because differently she come out today. So give yourself a shout out, please. You have social Instagram. What you have?
Imperfect underground.
Say it little bit so that people can hear.
_that's_perfect.
All right, you come out, princess. So I say your bag full of goodies, man. Yeah.
Kennedy, also known as Lady K. It's my first time here at the Grace Food Festival, and it so happened that I'm in the capacity of a marketer collecting content for a brand. You know, it's a really good event. And definitely come next year. If they have it next year, and definitely come next year as a patron, hopefully.
Yes.
You know, but yeah, if you're not here, you're definitely missing out on something.
For real.
So
it's just a vibe.
It's not too late, you know. They finish 9 o'clock.
No.
They finish 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
So you can come home.
So it starts at what time? What time?
Started at
11.
11
and it ends at when?
9 p.m.
Yes, all right.
Thank you.
So I'm just gonna encourage you to subscribe to our channel and
yeah, man.
we're outside.
All right.
Enjoy the rest of the day.
You too.
All right. You say a shout out.
Oh shit.
Take a shout out.
Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
Yeah.
Hey, man, what's up, man?
Yeah. Change the lyrics now.
To what?
To whatever you want.
Shout out.
Have a blessed travel.
Shout out to Ever Blessed what media? Okay, wait, one more time. Okay. Yo, shout out to Ever Blessed. Oh yeah? Wait.
Yeah.
Take 4. Shout out to Ever Blessed Travels for your. What do you do?
I'm a travel.
You just travel? Cover content. Okay. Shout out to Ever Blessed Travels for your content. Yeah, man.
Yeah. You're really courageous. I want to record while she gives me food. She's gonna give me food, and I'm gonna record her while she does
Jamaica, talk about Jamaica, your choice. Scoop ice cream and one
Thank Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. Chef, you're not getting none. Outside. Like always. Some of people, this is one meal I'm going to be tasting, and I'm going to just hoping that I can give a rating on this one.
This is the remix in the summer from the 25th of June. We've been going right across the island to make sure that we give our customers the very best. Remember, it's back to school, $100,000 is a big bump for the back. We've been going across Jamaica. We've been giving Jamaica the chance to win $100,000 weekend. $25,000 if you get the gift courtesy of one of your friends. All over Jamaica, the people that say remix this summer and hit one other man. And today, we're giving one lucky person a chance to walk away with a brand new tablet. Courtesy of Vision Set. Who you ready now? Hey, who ready now? Dance, who you ready now? Hey, who you ready now? Yeah, who you ready? Hey.
You like it?
I mean, not this part, this one.
Yeah.
What are they? Marketing and Stephen Moran. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Digital. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Today we are with? Today your name is? Tell me blog your name. Tell me your name. Okay. I know you're not here because of the music.
Let's go. One more time. Come on, remix this summer with Digital.
You Uncle Johnny. Digital go like a film show.
Why may I tell you?
I must Digital Food Festival.
Man,
behave yourself.
I said Digital like a
Hey, put back every word.
Put back every bird. 5 o'clock.
Them, listen.
Every
them
bird,
let out
5
dog.
o'clock.
Them let out drunk. Them let out hummingbird. Them every bird. Put it back. Wow, that bad. Woo. Wanna tired? All right,
So, energy.
Gas Pros say, did you sell a BF2 bar? So there are 5 things to give away. Of course. So, what are the various cylinder sizes that Gas Pro sells? That's one question. What is Gas Pro's toll-free number? That's the next question. What is Gas Pro's slogan? Yes, them up ready.
Yes.
I have 3 questions. Well, 5 giveaway, but give 3 questions already. So, what?
Yeah, we're happy with that.
Afternoon. Hi. Come on. Come here.
And here I have it, I get myself a juice. So walking out. Here you have it, my people. The Grace Food Festival. Awesome. Couldn't choose a better way to deal with it.
Take it away.
And the people them come out. And enjoy themselves, my people. Stay tuned. Yeah. Why did you go? Thank you so much. Nice. Another one for people. Oh, I can get more than one. Thank you so much. Outside. Captain, food fest, nice.
Yes, man, you enjoy myself.
It has been a hot day, but the end of it, it's time to kind of get cool now. So might be a time now because we're trying to enjoy ourselves.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
That's true.
We are outside. Kingston hot. I wish I had these things at Kingston hot.
So now.
I did about Marley. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, yeah. In fact, I was turning up on them because it feels like it's cool.
Yes, man.
Yeah. How that operate?
Grab up front.
How that operate? Oh, you mean? Oh, you mean?
Grab up front.
So we have to knock them up?
Yes, you knock them up and you get some. But you have to join the line. You got to join the line. Yeah? You got to join the line from the back. You got to join the line from up there.
I can't learn this. What's wrong with
My YouTuber, want to say hi to my vlog?
Who's still lying there? Come on. Thank you, Ever Bless.
You're welcome. Ever Bless.
No.
How have it been? So you have a long line here and you're saying that they say the goodies is finished. Everything done! Everything finished! Nothing left! You see me ball it out here then.
You video it?
Yes.
What?
Yeah, you can say it. This is TVJ. Big up TVJ.
Big up TVJ.
Yeah, man. You also take the name.
Big up Grace, right?
Give us the name.
I'm down here.
Big up.
Maybe share one more time. There's a big one more.
Give me a second.
Big up. It's a big up.
Yes. One and another three.
It's gonna one.
Big up TVJ.
Me here, happy. Don't.
Like always. Outside.
If you have to go, can get
that look in the right. I want to
do. So can get the fancy. Alright, top.
So are your team say looking in and looking better? How you mean?
Look at up now.
No, you. Whatever. So what am I for? Hold on.
So you bang this thing and what happens?
And then finish. And I'm a ball it out and say everything.
And they get to the house. So
Now, why you want me to call out?
Yeah,
TV again?
I'm gonna find two things and put out there because I know it.
Pick up yourself. Tell me why you tell me if you follow TV there. Why?
I'm gonna put that on Instagram.
Oh.
No.
Follow. Captain Iro. Princess. Captain Iro. I'm your far. Captain Iro Nation.
Alright. That's for them, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. Let me check out, make sure I share it in verse.
Yeah.
Ready? Yep. So I have two daughter that's gonna one and captain.
Yeah, video me. Pick up Instagram. Pick up social.
Oh, my Instagram.
Yeah, man. You look good, man. Stop shine up yourself. Sir. You look good. She look good. Me see her already. She look good. She look good and you look good too. So come in.
Come in. You want it?
Me just want to take her for she look good.
Oh.
She come out of the cool even here. Take out the best travel.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. I will take on the street. Like the wine line. You ever hear about it?
It's funny.
Chacha, look on me, people. No, look. Take that good here. Yeah. So we can't take a picture with her. What do you mean, no? How your manager going, so? I share your manager. So how she going? All right, me take a picture beside she there.
No.
No, two manager me. We're outside. Princess, you come out as well. I want to see you look at the sun hot. My son is hot already. Just come. Yeah, mash them up now. See that? See that? You see everybody look at you while you take a picture. It's a reef. Pick up your Instagram. Pick up your word.
Oh, hi everybody. My name is Sarah Dashante on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube, and all the other apps.
Pick up YouTube page, my friend. Pick up your YouTube page.
Oh, not up on YouTube page. That's it. So
yeah.
look out for me when the seminar goes to
yeah. All right.
Oh, so nice. Follow my friends.
It's unique on our socials. Remember, God said and they said. Any of this said?
Whoa. Captain, I heard that them thing that we are not about. When the princess them come up. Instagram, anything you want. Any socials you want, become a friend. I'll shout out that, you know.
Alright, I'm shout out my business page.
Yes, man.
Ready?
Yes.
Alright, guys. So go head over to Instagram and follow my business page. It's called Bellara Wax Bar, where you get your waxing services from head to toe.
You get your what?
Waxing.
Okay.
The ear.
Yeah, oh, Jaja. Yeah, me have some okay, alright, no.
Alright, so head over to Instagram, Bellara Wax Bar.
Yes. Ever blessed travels is outside.
Alright.
Yeah. Captain and the vibes are nice. But anyway, we're going music or place, so we just hope that we get to that's why. Yeah.
I'm finding my money.
Oh, are you again? Yeah. So you see, you find you spend half your whole life, I mean, you know. You tell them, so I may save you there, I may save them. And say that you
have to go home back.
You have to go all the ATM machine. Remember to check out my channel, yeah? I make them watch, yeah? Alright. I did give you a card? Yeah. Ever Blessed Travels, yeah? You remember the name? Big up yourself, say hi. Hi. My name is Ever Blessed Travels, and you? Oh, your name is cute. Have yourself a good day, right? Yeah, man, big up. Today we are with? Huh? Today we are with, tell me your name. What's your name?
I'm Jen.
Yeah, how was the Grace Festival, food festival so far?
Well, I just came.
You just came?
Yeah.
Earlier on, you are blessed. Earlier on, the sun was blazing.
Okay.
I'm sorry, you get away from it. So,
That's why I come this late.
wow, I didn't. It's the first time here, so you just walk out, you just go around and enjoy yourself because they have some nice. Enjoy yourself. Thank you so much.
You're looking nice, man.
Yeah, she come out. Yeah, man, she come out, man. Yeah. Instagram princess. Come here, youngsters. What the name of your band? Come now. What's the name of your band?
Magnificent Troopers.
Maxfield?
Magnificent Troopers.
Alright. Big up the whole band, huh? Big up your band. Some team members of your band.
Big up Magnificent Troopers. It's an awesome band.
Yes.
And we love it.
Yes. Check out the Fabulous Travels. And I look forward to you guys subscribing and big up your bands in the comment section. See? Big up. Captain Iro, I saw a thing going on.
Yes, man.
We have to entertain ourselves while we entertain people, huh?
Of course we do.
Yeah, man, we're outside. Like always.
People appreciate the work.
Yeah, man. And you're promoting?
Chai and Co. scented candles
Yes.
from scratch.
Yes.
Yes, my name is Akira. I am a local passionate creative.
Yeah.
I don't just make casual candles. I build candles from scratch. I make the container and everything.
Yeah.
It's safe for
Yeah.
consumers to burn.
Yeah.
Using coconut wax, super clean than soy, paraffin. Like it's really the good stuff.
Yeah.
And it's local. The fragrances that I have available is pumpkin chai and sorrel, which everybody loves.
Yes.
Love.
Yes.
We have Exhale. So like I said, I make the containers.
Yes.
The color scheme, everything was conceptualized by me from scratch.
Yes.
So there's nothing on the market like this unless it says chai.
Yes.
Right? And then I have the coffee. Everybody loves the coffee Phoenix rice.
Yeah.
And I have 3 different sizes. We have the mini chai, which a lot of people love for special gifts.
Yeah, back it up a bit.
Yeah.
No, you can put behind it a bit.
Oh, okay.
So you can see. Yes, right.
Right, this is the miniature one.
Yes.
And then we have the 6 ounce, which is the next size up. I
Yes.
prefer this one because it comes with a handmade cover to preserve the candles and to protect it.
Yes.
And then we have the 8 ounce. So we have 3 different sizes.
Yes.
Support Shop Local, Chai and Co. CHAIANE CO_, and my name is Akira.
Oh, you're out. So you want to give a number where somebody can reach out to you?
Oh yes, so 876-493-0489. And I do everything. I package it, seal it, paint it, make everything. So you're supporting a true passion.
Talented Jamaica.
Yes.
Outside.
I just say you get up and do the thing every day.
Yeah.
Night day.
We like your attitude. Some of people I'm going to be asking of you to give her your full support. If she can explain herself so well, that means our product them way.
Very well.
You see.
And the feedback is amazing.
Outside.
Yeah, love and respect.
Yeah.
Good girl, go on with yourself.
Yeah.
Like what you did.
Yeah. No, Captain. You change your mind? I asked you, you say yes. You didn't say yes? My voice is there. Check out every this now. Chris, what? Look how she look on it. She want to be a part of the vlog. Say hi. Pick up your page, please. Pick up your page. Yeah. Camera got your tongue.
Guys, go. How are you?
Me, let's go. She come out. The princess said, come out this evening. Yeah. No. She look like she done for.
Oh, yeah, man.
How I go on there?
Squeeze up. Squeeze up.
Are you serious?
Alright, Ben, squeeze up.
Now you me, Jay. What go on? The evening get cool.
I feel drunk.
You start burn up.
Feel drunk.
Oh gosh.
No man, the sun. You know, I can say sun stay. You know, say after what when like you're in the sun for the whole day. You're in the sun for the whole day, and then the sun cool down, you just feel sleepy and drunk.
All your mind wine till it's a die a yard. Get up and take up your phone and go walk.
Yeah.
And then later on you smile to the back. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Go! We're outside! Yeah, man.
Like always.
Like always. Go
Countryside, where are you?
Where are you? Taylor, I said, where are you?
Taylor, I said, promise me you won't be here.
Yeah, man, you should be here.
You should have come and look and see how the princess them come out.
Yeah, buy food.
Hi. You look nice today. And who dressed you?
Probably have to get some food.
I know. Pick up your Instagram now, please.
My Instagram is team_official26.
Just like that.
Just like
you
that.
come out today.
Right.
Yeah, she said right there. Ah, you say you look cute? Can you see? I've been running to this princess for morning.
Bad buggy, you know, man.
Yeah, me see.
Medical and dental checkups. We got the Artisan Village, Kiddies Village, Sponsored Village. A lot of things happening right here at this big great food festival. Welcome everyone. Later on we got Prince Sam, Jody J, Ronda Positive, Festival Martin, King Down. We are looking at these London Donuts tonight later on. Plus we see that DJ Didn't mean forever. Yeah. This is the Great Food Festival. Festival. No, we have to pick somebody. Auntie, that's true that's something that's why you're wrong. Them always say me unfair, man. Hold on. Let me pick one. The next question is for you. Promise you. Alright, now pick that little girl in the green and white. What's the name of the bus company? Huh? You gotta shout, darling. No, I can't hear you.
Me hear you now. Yes, JUTC. Run up. Yeah. Come on up. Wow. She will never forget this Grace basket. The easiest basket she ever win in her life. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you're about to be entertained right now by the musical genius of CJ who? CJ Liquid. Come on up, darling, and collect your basket. Big up. Alright. Thank you. Congratulations. Alright, enjoy it. CJ who? CJ Liquid.
Cool down yourself.
Chop.
Oh, yo, me.
Yes, sir.
Right over there.
CJ.
Hello. All right. Who first to put the hand and tell me what is the name of the newest product from Grace? Huh? Run around, darling. Jerk, honey. Yeah. All right. We got a winner. Liquid. Put some Grace jerks.
Introduce yourself to the group.
Put some Grace ketchup on it.
That looks some subscription from me, them. See?
Nice
That looks some subscription from me. Never left
and some Jesus in it as well. So we're going to bring some dancehall gospel right now. Show some love for Prince Sash.
I want you to go on this one. Nico.
Yeah.
Tell them Nico. What is it?
It's a vlog, but never bless travel YouTube.
Oh, pick up on yourself and this is Nico Overdose, so we represent for one overdose.
You see it?
Yeah. What's in there? What's in there?
Alright, see him there.
When you see face in the man, they don't see a chin explosive in the man.
Oh, you see.
I represent for who? Explosive. Pick up.
Yeah, ever bless travel, see it.
I don't know what kind of I don't know what represent for the city dance.
Outside. Give them some doors, you know. Give them away.
When we say that now, give me that redeem ya. No, make we dump it up and show them how we do it. None of them know what the Father God alone around the street. I can tell this woman ready by the verse and repeat. Give me yo. Me never take the beat, them never know. I'm an God that run and take the show. I'm a Bible, me texting me speeding up, change the flow. I be stopping me, I'm be like, take over. Why not? Before you make it down below. Like the verse, when me load up on the road, the time of focus and make it a heaven and me the only one. So then I do this so different, we are the only one, the chosen one. Jesus never runs and tell them now the man. Alright, ready, feel it, take up on your steady. Take a listen to the gospel and the last we are steady. Lift it up in a heavy, to the top we are heavy. Verbally we jump like I'm a baby, I'm steady. Hey, I know this you know you better run before you throw the king and let me know what. Take a listen, everyone, happiness so this, you can't go in the brings alone. When we say that now, fully Jesus, make it so no and no promo spirit. Move so fast, let me not slow mo. Make Bible that we have no catching blow no. Oh no, my head, we never want to go get make it so no and no promo. Move so fast, let me not slow mo. Make Bible that we have no catching blow no. Oh no, listen me man, when this a moment so fast, this a no sonic, some little boy said they bad through them all like a one machine. And the word I got to feed them with, this a no magic, them can't stop it. Word a square in the box and corner kick. Me have it, full of faith man, I'm not up on it. And the gospel of the Lord, it alone me a traffic. Me have it, full of power, me not trying to bag on it. When we tell them, they say that no, only Jesus, make it so long and no promo. Move so fast, they tell me not slow mo. The Bible that we have no catching blow no. Oh no, my head, we never want to go get make it so long and no promo. Move so fast, they tell me not slow mo. The Bible that we have no catching blow no. Oh no, listen. So
and I drop out virtuous. Fertile, you never see a toast. You don't ever give your water, give your man, chicken out, never joke. You stand firm from the end to a one kind of woman. Plenty man, stay strong. Nobody get me into see me. Cause I best you win abundance of an elevation. And when they got the woman them, when we say, first the pretty part them are true Christ. That you don't see that I'm a man them. When we say again, this is coming out. I represent pretty part the woman them. When we say, first the pretty part them, true Christ. That you don't see that I'm a man them. This is bad and never problem. Listen to me now. In your prayer chamber, as you wake up, exercise it right so you stay up. Who said you're in the back of the car? Not a provide somebody get me about. When you can't live around them. First the pretty part them are true Christ. That you don't see another. Yeah, and that I want them. We got the woman. I represent me. We got the woman them. First the pretty part them are true Christ. That you don't see another man them. This is God and never problem. I represent me. We got the woman. Got the woman. Got the woman them. Round us up in the got the woman. Got the woman. Got the woman them. Oh, what is up with the got the woman. Got the woman. Got the woman. Everybody when they say got the woman. Got the woman. Oh, we are represent. I represent me. The got the woman them. Girls see a pretty part them and true Christ. That you don't see that I'm at them. Listen, this is God and never problem. I represent me. The got the woman them. My girl, me say see a pretty part them and true Christ. That you don't see that I'm at them. This is God and never problem. Easy, DJ Mark. Listen. My name is Prince Hatch for all who know. And for all who know, big up on yourself, fully Jesus all day. Let me hear you say, fully Jesus. To live is for Christ and to die is great gain. Grace, big up on yourself. Thank you for having me. Thank you for inviting me. You see right now, me say when the God lead them happy, everybody have happy, you know.
Oh, you mean?
So you see like how the God lead them happy, the lady them happy, everybody have to start dancing when they want to jump.
Let's see what time for this.
Catch a box. 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 Anyway, you're there in a great food festival right now. Just bounce on this spot. Bounce on this spot. Bounce on this spot. Bounce on this spot. When you ready, we can talk. When we say that now, say we don't look the part. Judgment belong to God, watch your thoughts. When them say we don't look like Christians and we don't play the regular part. But what? That's how we do it. What we do? We take the gospel to the street. And we not only do church for Sunday, we do it 7 days of the week. Great food festival. Hey, that's how we do it. What we do? What am I supposed to look like? When we be in a suit and tie? When we ask them, tell them no. Hey, and if I want to come, you be ready. Shop up with the Bible, we never let it. Devil me know say you're panic because of the word. When you're knocking on your nerves and you can't take it yet. What we do? We take our leaders anywhere we go. You know why? Cause what? We know who we belong to. Who we belong to? Jehovah is the true God and we know. So what we have to do? We have to follow. Declare it and make them know. What we do? We take our leaders anywhere we go. You know why? Cause what? We know who we belong to. Who we belong to? Jehovah is the true God and we know. So what we have to do? We have to follow. Listen to me, Christ are the way no other. If you want me to be fair, don't follow. When me a praise, I praise God proper. Give God the honor and no Lisa.
An Afrobeat, she can dance, she's beautiful, and she's ready to entertain a great food festival. Show love for Joby J. Joby.
Hello. Good night, everybody. Good night, Grace Food Festival. How are we feeling tonight? Are we good? If you're feeling good, say yeah, yeah. If your belly full, say yeah, yeah. All right. If you know this song, sing it with me, all right?
and a mortgage due. Yeah, when my best friends are gone and it's so big, I'm a skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. You're not feel reggae music sweet, skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and rock with me. You're not feel reggae music sweet. For every pain there's a melody. For every trouble there's a harmony that brings everything together. So make we sing together. And who say life not all? And every man got their struggles. I'm begging you help me, Lord, to make me overcome my troubles. Can't keep. And everybody wanna feel. Forget your troubles and rock away. May you not feel a reggae music sweet, skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel a ring. Forget your troubles and forget your troubles and forget your troubles and we're skanking till the morning until the day when my troubles are gone. We're grooving in a Janelle. We're grooving all our troubles away. Skanking, Grace Foods was skanking. Yeah, we're skanking. 'Cause reggae music, sweet.
Say God is a good, good God. Somebody sing God is a good, good God. My God is a good, good God. My God is a good, good God. Yeah. Watch me now. Each morning that I wake, I thank God for another day. Everything I go and hope to be, I thank you, Lord. I remember when I couldn't see my way, all I saw was gloomy days. But God, you came through right on time. All I can do is say, you are good, God.
Yeah, with my people from the Grace Food Festival, Everblessed Travels Village here. All my people, it has been a wonderful day where I walk around, taste food. It has been a wonderful one. All my people, I'm going to be asking of you, please give this video a like. And in the meantime, I want my people for you to check out the person that walked with us today, and that is Naomi Sturdia, Grace Walk, Vlog TV, Captain Iron Nation. I'm going to be asking my people to subscribe to the page, roll the next, never just travel the same solar. And I will see you in the next one.